tutorial video. In today's video, I'll tell you guys about an AI that will help you build a website. Now, this sounds as amazing as it is. Now, you don't need to just cram up the code and just digging things and just making edits to your code to build your website, and it can be just done using an AI. So, I'll just show you guys about it. Just open up your web browser and just type in Hostinger. Now, after you do that, just go to the first link you see. Now, as you can see right here, it's a free. It's not free, but it is a web hosting company. It has been established in 2024. I'm in 2004, and you can use it to just host your website. You can use it to buy a website domain. You can use it to just build a website, and yeah. So this is the site right here, and there you can see you can build everything you need to create a website. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see its offers, you will see its plans, you will see how much money it costs. So yeah, first let us just go to the website builder because that's what we're interested in. Now after we're here, you will see the price right here. It's even up to 75% off right now, and it is a limited time deal, so make sure that you grab it. Now let's scroll down till you see the most popular pack. Now if you scroll down a bit more, there you can see that you can create a website in easy 3 steps. Just choose how to build, customize your website, and just go live. It's that simple, guys. And as you can see, you can let AI do your work. You can even have features like drag and drop and so much more to make your building the website's experience more easier. And yeah, as you can see, as I said, drag and drop. You can use smart grids, you can change colors, desktop and mobile editing, and so much more. So yeah, this is the future of website building, guys, using AI to build website. And that is all for the video. That's what I've been here to tell you guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.